सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
नमस्ते। Please. Papers to be laid on the table. Srimati Anupriya Patel. Please, Santi.
Sir, on behalf of my senior colleague Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against his name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Radha Mohan Singh.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की भी संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दर्शाए गए पत्र सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Shri Vijay Goyal.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Honorable Radhakrishnan, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Ram Kripal Yadav.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज के संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Shri Rajan Gohen.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Purushottam Ropala.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र क्रमशः हिंदी एवं अंग्रेजी में अपने सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaube ji, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against his name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Upendra Kushwaha. Shri Dr. Virendra Kumar.
On behalf of my colleague Virendra Kumar, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of the business.
Shri Mansukh Lal Mandaviya.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 10 in today's revised list of business.
Srimati Anupriya Patel.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 11 in today's revised list of business.
Shri P.P. Chaudhary.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the paper on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 12 in the today's revised list of business.
Dr. Satyapal Singh. Report of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes. Shri Ram Narayan Dudi.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी आज्ञा से भारतीय राष्ट्रीय राजमार्ग प्राधिकरण में रोजगार में ओबीसी का प्रतिनिधित्व सुनिश्चित करने और उनके कल्याण हेतु किए गए उपाय विषय पर अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के 12वें प्रतिवेदन की हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Reports of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe. Srimati Vansukh CM. Shri Ram Kumar Verma. I have called her. मौका दीजिए उनको.
So I lay on the table of the House a copy of English and Hindi, both the following to the report of the Committee of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. 22nd report of the action taken by the government on the recommendation contained in the 5th report of the Committee of the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. 23rd report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in 21st report of the Committee of the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sri Haribhai Pardibhai Chaudhary.
Sir, on behalf of my senior minister, Sri Piyush Goyal, I rise to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendation contained in 27th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel on demands for grants 2017-18 pertaining to the Ministry of Coal.
Sripad Yesho Nayak.
Sir, in pursuance of the provision of Rule 266 of Procedure and Conduct of the Business, I wish to inform the House the status of implementation indicated in the statement being laid on the table of the House of various recommendations contained in the 101st and 105th reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Health and Family Welfare in respect of Ministry of Ayush, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy.
Sri Manoj Sinha.
So, in pursuance of the Direction 35 of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, I would like to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 19th report of the Standing Committee on Labour and Deployment of Contract, Casual, Sanitation Workers for Perennial Nature of Jobs in MTNL pertaining to the Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications on the table of the House. Thank you.